All right, so these are all seed potatoes that I put in. And you might hear people talking about the mound method. And the mound method basically is every time the shoots get about 4 to 6 inches tall, you just pile more dirt on them. Because the way the tomatoes grow is that they grow up. So you're going to make it so that you have more potato harvest later, because you're giving the potatoes more soil to grow from. So I'm just going to pile this compost right on top, and I'm gonna get probably at least double the amount of potatoes just by mounding it up. And you can keep doing this throughout the season. You can make this really high if you want, or you can just do it a couple of times. It's your choice how many potatoes that you want. And certain potatoes don't actually mound, so I would just check to see if the potato variety that you're using will actually yield more if you mound it up. And you can just do that really easy by Googling it.